Okay. So we are going to start with prono-relative sampler. Prono-relative sampler are though, as the word pronoun we know, pronoun is used to replace the noun. Okay. It is used to remplace le nom. Remplace le nom means replace the noun. Okay. There are 4 types. की, क, ऊ and दो. इसको कहते हैं दो. ओके. अभी के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है की एंड क को अंडरस्टैंड करना. एंड ऊ में ना वो आएगा जो वेयर के ऊपर एक्सेंट आता है ना, यू के ऊपर. सो आई डेंट हैव एन ऑप्शन टू ऐड द एक्सेंट, सो आई मिस्ड इट. ठीक है. सो द एक्सेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कम ऑन ऊ, अदरवाइज इसका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाएगा. सिंपली इफ यू राइट ओ यू it becomes or. If you write ou with the accent, it becomes where. Okay, so we need to use a where one. But before we begin, I want you to first focus on only ki and k. तो होता क्या है? As I say that it is used to replace the noun. Ki is used to replace the subject. First, replace the noun and relate also. That means it is also used to connect two different sentences talking about the same subject or same object. So I repeat again, they are the pronouns that are used to connect two sentences which are talking about the same theme, that is same subject or same object. अगर subject same है, okay, then we replace it using की. तो मैं डेफिनेशन रिपीट करती हूँ प्रोनो रिलेटिव सैम्पलर की. दोज नाउन्स, प्रोनाउंस आर दोज वर्ड्स that are used to connect two sentences, relate two sentences with same subject or same object. इनका main purpose क्या है? This is to avoid the repetition. Avoid the repetition in the sentences. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको बोलना है अपने फेवरेट एक्टर के बारे में, ठीक है, सपोज शाहरुख खान, फिर उसे जेम शाहरुख खान, आई लाइक शाहरुख खान. शाहरुख खान is an actor है कोलियो. शाहरुख खान is a popular actor. शाहरुख खान ए बो. शाहरुख खान is handsome. शाहरुख खान a trois trois enfants, 3 kids, etc. etc. ठीक है. So instead of repeating Shahrukh Khan, we'll just try to use pronouns so that there is less of repetition. ठीक है. So whenever you have to replace the subject, we use की. Whenever you have to replace the subject, we use की. For example, Jem SRK. SRK is an actor, Trey Konyo. I like SRK. SRK is an actor, Trey Konyo, very known or very popular. So Jem SRK, ki is an actor, Trey Konyo, who is an actor very popular. तो मैंने ये जो सेकंड वाला SRK है उसको रिप्लेस कर दिया विद की. Why? Because I was replacing the subject in the sentence. So I used की. ठीक है. पर अगर हमें ऑब्जेक्ट को रिप्लेस करना है तो कैसे होगा? क रिप्लेसेस द ऑब्जेक्ट. J'aime les chocolats. I like chocolates. Vous m'avez donné les chocolats hier. You gave me the chocolates yesterday. J'aime le chocolat que vous m'avez donné hier. J'aime les chocolats que vous m'avez donné hier. I like chocolates that you gave me yesterday. Understood? समझ आया? थोड़ा
प्राची,
थोड़ा.
ये का वाला एक बार दोबारा समझा दो.
सो j'aime les chocolats, I like chocolates. So you see यहाँ पर chocolates है, ठीक है. Vous m'avez donné les chocolats hier. यहाँ पर chocolate is not in the subject. It is in the object part. Objects की साइड पर है ना. तो जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को रिप्लेस करेंगे तो हम क यूज करेंगे. सो j'aime les chocolats Ka vumadone ier. I like the chocolates that you gave me yesterday. Ka vumadone ier. Because I replaced chocolates, which is in the subject object part of the sentence. समझ आया? Any doubts?
No, all clear. Thank you.
Prachi, how do we know like this is qui and this is q? Unless like if the word is so in qui with the thing is it replaces the subject, but while with the q it replaces the object. How do we know the difference? Like the q and qui will be in the sentences or like
No, you have to add it, na? Why will they be in the sentences? You have to replace the subject using ki or replace the
okay.
object using ka. They will not be in the sentence. You have to add them in the sentence. That is why I'm using the word replace so that you connect the sentence. I like SRK. SRK is a popular actor. I like SRK. Who is a popular actor?
It's like the way we use like because and all of that connectors in English, right?
Not really. वो logical connectors हैं. It's like
Okay.
that, who, yeah, whose,
Okay.
that you can say.
Got
Huh.
it. Thank you for
Okay.
answering.
All right. Okay.